Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have a case for your Pixel 6a, but before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have a case for your Google Pixel 6a. You want to protect your device. I decided to pick up the Spigen Ultra Armor case. I got it from Amazon. I will have the links in the description so that way if you want to pick it up, you can definitely do so. Now this is not a clear case, so it will not show off the beauty of your phone, but it will protect it. Spigen is becoming one of my favorite case makers out there. Right up there with Rinky and UAG, and some others out there too, or they make some great cases. If you want to pause that, you can definitely do so. Like we do in my videos, we're gonna make sure everything lines up, make sure how everything fits. I would say make sure you can wireless charge, but there's no wireless charging on here. I do like the inside of the Tough Armor cases. That's actually pretty cool. You can see some branding down there, some type of logo. But let's get into it. Look at that white, or chalk. They call it chalk, but I love that color of the phone. Now, if it's snug, do you get some lip protection? Yes, you do. Yes, you get that camera protection too. You get that little kickstand with the Spigen logo on there. And then nothing on this side as far as the logo. You do get Tough Armor here. Look at the power button and the volume rock. I love how the power button is ridged, so you know that's the power button. Let's see how easy press. Press is really good. Nice and tactile. You gotta love when buttons are that easy to press. But that power button is impressive. I like this case. Again, it doesn't show off the beauty, but it protects it. Everything lines up at the bottom. They even have a cutout for the microphone. It has the corner protection there too. I like that. But it also has this little kickstand. Now the thing with the kickstand, it's always like, man, I'm about to break that off. So can you lay it like this? Yes. Lay it like that if you wanted to. Maybe. Like that. But you really can't lay it vertically. It will not lay vertically. But if you want to lay it like that, bam, you can watch some Forest Tech reviews. The last thing we want to make sure, how does it fit? Nice and snug. Look, I mean, nice and snug on the top and the bottom too. I mean on the sides and then also on the top and bottom. So the only thing is the kickstand. I wish they made it a little bit more sturdier. It looks like you can just rip it off. But it does definitely shows off the beauty. It does add a little bit bulk to your phone. So if you think your Pixel 6a is a little small, this will add some, but not a lot. Not a lot of bulk, but it definitely adds some bulk to your phone. I definitely like this case. What y'all think? Y'all let me know what y'all think about this case. I think it actually looks really good. But I'd like to know your opinions. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Again, I will have the links in the description. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for more coverage on the Pixel 6a. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.